G'day, this is Coach Claudius, and this is a quick guide to online on-time coaching and counseling. Yes, a quick guide, so let's get going. We'll use our cell phones as our tool to communicate with each other. So open up your contacts and load Coach Claudius with my telephone number 061 977 4963 onto your contacts. Don't worry if you didn't get it, I'll repost it right at the end. Once you've done that, please download WhatsApp, or if you already have it, open it up. Once it's open, search for Coach Claudius and text me the word bark and your name. I will acknowledge your greeting, and then I'll send you my 10 terms and conditions. They are really plain and straightforward, so please read through them and make sure that you understand and agree with them. How would I know if you agree? By you dropping me a pin location. This doesn't need to be a private place like your home or work. It can be the mall, on the road, or even in the movies for that matter. I need to know that you agree with the terms and conditions and that you are actually a human being. I will accept you as a new client, bear in mind, if my diary allows it. Most important, administrative questions are free of charge. So just type admin and then record your question. Very important, none of our communication other than administration is in text form. Then I will also send you a reminder that your first 15 minutes of coaching are free of charge. So how do we do that? I have 2 services that I offer you, coaching and counseling. Counseling is when you ask my advice. Bear in mind, when you ask advice, the responsibility still remains with you. Coaching is like guiding. I guide you to your solution. So how do we go about it? If you need coaching, you text me the word coaching, and thereafter you send me your requirement, or you tell me the story. Thereafter, I will calculate the balance and post it. I will post my coaching or my counseling response in the form of a recording, just as you did it. After every interaction, as mentioned, I will update the account. You don't need to remember all the terms and conditions, as I, when applicable, will remind you thereof. For instance, if you need to do an EFT. When you do, please use the word bark and your name as a reference. Payments will be acknowledged as soon as I find it on the bank statement, and your account will be updated. Now this is very important. As we're working towards outcomes, if you feel you found your outcome in our communication, you're welcome to unsubscribe, because you're also welcome later on to resubscribe. Well, if you missed anything, these slides will be available on my Bark profile photo section. But you're also welcome to send me a WhatsApp to 061 977 4963. If you'd like to know a bit more about me as Coach Claudius, go to my website, coachclaudius.co.za. Have a fabulous day.